Hi friends, welcome to our Educational Quiz Mania channel. Students, in this video, today we are going to solve first semester exam based on summative evaluation standard 5th subject EVS 1. So let's get started. हा पेपर 24 गुणांसाठी असून हा पेपर तुमच्या सरावासाठी तयार करण्यात आलेला आहे याचा तुम्हाला नक्कीच फायदा होईल. Question number 1 A. Fill in the blanks. This question has 2 marks. 1. The moon is called the dash of the earth. Answer is satellite. 2. The motion of the earth around itself is called dash. Answer is rotation. B. Write whether the following statements are true or false. This question has 2 marks. 1. The earth rotates from east to west. This statement is false. 2. It is necessary to maintain biodiversity. This statement is true. C. Match the following. This question has 2 marks. A group, B group. 1. Bricks. Answer is soil. 2. Cement. Answer is limestone. 3. Glass. Answer is sand. 4. Social problem. Answer is poverty. Question number 2A. Answer the following questions in one sentence each. Any two. This question has 2 marks. 1. What is energy? Answer. Energy is defined as the ability or capacity to do work. 2. Which are the important public services? Answer. Water supply, electricity supply, health services, education and public transport are important public services. 3. What is tolerance? Answer. Tolerance is respecting opinions of others which are different from our opinion. B. What is the meaning of following terms? This question has 2 marks. 1. Full moon. Answer. When the complete and round moon is seen in the sky, it is known as full moon. 2. Tithi. Answer. Every day in the lunar month is called Tithi. 3. Krishna Paksha. Answer. The period of fortnight in which the illuminated portion of the moon appears to reduce and become smaller and smaller is called Krishna Paksha. Question number 2A. Answer the following sub questions. This question has 10 marks. 1. What information do man-made satellites provide? Answer. Man-made satellites provide useful information on agriculture, environment, weather forecasting, searching for water and minerals from the earth. Such information can be used to make maps. Man-made satellites are also used for telecommunications. 2. What substances in the soil are useful for the growth of plants? Answer. Plants require water, minerals and other substances in the soil for their growth. The substances formed due to decomposition of dead and decaying plant and animal material are very useful for plants. These substances help in the rapid growth of plants. 3. What is food chain? Give an example of it. Answer. One living thing is dependent on other living thing for the purpose of feeding. Therefore, they are interconnected with each other like a chain. This relationship is called a food chain. Example: sunlight, plants, caterpillar, grasshopper, sparrow. 4. Describe the drip irrigation method. Answer: in drip irrigation method, pipes with holes are used for giving water to the plants. Only required amount of water drips near the plants in this method. Full use of available water can be done by drip irrigation method. 5. In the following sentences, underline the words that represent landforms. A. Sonali lives just beyond Mount Takmak. Answer is Mount. B. Nilesh has gone on a trip to Gharapuri Island. Answer is Island. 6. Give scientific reasons the sun appears prominent and bright. Answer: the sun is a star having its own light. As compared to other stars in space, the sun is closest to the earth. Therefore, the sun appears prominent and bright. 7. Prepare signs and symbols for the following components: A. Post office, B. Harbor, C. Fort, D. Lake. B. Study the political map of India given below and answer the following questions. This question has 4 marks. 1. Which is the northernmost state? Answer: the northernmost state is Jammu and Kashmir. 2. Write the name of the largest state. Answer: the largest state is Rajasthan. 3. In which water body are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands located? Answer: the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. 4. Which sea is to the west of India? Answer: to the west of India is the Arabian Sea. Thank you.